Welcome to Business News. Today we take a look at how to make money using TikTok. TikTok is a short-form video sharing app that has become incredibly popular in recent years. It has over 1 billion active users worldwide, and it's a great platform for businesses and individuals to reach a large audience. There are a number of ways to make money on TikTok. Here are a few of the most popular. 1. Creator Fund. The Creator Fund is a program that pays TikTok creators for their videos. To be eligible for the Creator Fund, you must have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the past 30 days. The amount you earn from the Creator Fund depends on a number of factors, including the number of views your videos get, the engagement rate of your audience, and the region you live in. 2. Brand Sponsorships. If you have a large and engaged following on TikTok, you can partner with brands to promote their products or services. This is known as brand sponsorship. To get started with brand sponsorships, you can create a media kit that outlines your follower demographics, engagement rate, and contact information. You can then reach out to brands directly or work with a social media marketing agency. 3. Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission on sales that you generate for other businesses. To promote affiliate products on TikTok, you can share links to these products in your videos, captions, and bio. You can also create videos that review or compare affiliate products. 4. Selling your own products and services. If you have your own products or services to sell, you can use TikTok to drive traffic to your website or landing page. To promote your own products and services on TikTok, you can create videos that showcase your products or services in action. You can also offer exclusive discounts or promotions to your TikTok followers. 5. Live Streaming. TikTok users can send virtual gifts to creators during live streams. These gifts can be converted into real money. To start live streaming on TikTok, you must have at least 1,000 followers. You can then start a live stream by tapping the plus button and selecting live. Tips for making money on TikTok. Here are a few tips for making money on TikTok. Create high-quality content. Your videos should be informative, engaging, and visually appealing. Build a strong following. The more followers you have, the more people you can reach with your content and ads. Target your audience. Use TikTok's targeting options to reach people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Be consistent. Post regularly and interact with your audience to keep them engaged. Track your results. Use TikTok Insights to track the performance of your content and ads. This will help you identify what's working and what's not. Making money on TikTok takes time and effort, but it's possible if you're willing to put in the work. By following the tips above, you can increase your chances of success. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.